How are you fine ladies and gentlemen doing today? Drew Peacock here, back with another video. You know what really grinds my gears? Cars that can't drive on a flat street without scraping, without tearing off their bumper. Personally, for my car, I prefer performance. I try to get my car to drive just about as good as it can. I'd rather have fun in my car driving than have it sit there and look kind of weird and get people's attention that way. I don't know, personal preferences, I guess. But today we're going to be taking a look at some slammed cars that are, they're insane, guys. I don't know, love them or hate them. Let me know down in the comments down below. Let's just dive right in with the first clip. Is this really like the attention grabber when you go to stance meets? Is this really what they do? I mean, they try to get over this tiny ass little bump. I mean, Miley Cyrus is thicker than this bump. This bump is super flat. Holy shit. And really, this is what you guys all gathered up to see? Was this little RSX go over the bump? I mean, I get like two-step competitions. I get, you know, backfire, spitting flames and shit like that. But this is a bump. This is like a little tech deck playset. This is tiny. Full send over that? I mean, come on. This isn't even like worth watching right here. You have a whole crowd gathered around you to see that. That was your climax right there. That was the big grand finale right there. That's what everyone wanted to see, was this little RSX go 5 miles an hour over a bump. Really? And I love how they're cheering him on like he just did the biggest burnout they have ever seen. Like, after he gets over that bump, he gets so much props. I mean, really? Like, just take a truck to this meet. I mean, they're gonna be blown away by the stuff they see a truck do. If they're impressed with the RSX going over a bump, a truck or like a Jeep is gonna blow their minds. It would straight up be like showing a caveman who just discovered how to, I don't know, start a fire. It'd be like showing them like a flamethrower. It'd be like, oh, you think that's cool? You think that's cool? Watch what this thing can do. Just straight up just blowing their minds. I mean, a Jeep at this meet, oh my god, he would just stunt on everyone. He can go over any bump. This guy's comment is golden. A lot of people seem angry pieces of shit, pile of shit, stance is fucking ugly. I don't know, like I've said a million times, I just don't see the point of it. I would like to drive my car and have fun with it, and this just seems like a hassle. Really, this just seems like the biggest headache ever. Like I said, I scrape on bumps, nothing nearly that small, but I do scrape on some bumps, and this would just annoy the hell out of me.
Bro, Jay.
I don't know why this clip just reminds me too much of a whale getting like beached up on shore. He went way too close. He got stuck up on shore. He's trying to flap his fins to get back into the water, but he's gonna dry up. He's gonna dry up on the sand, and he's gonna have to stay there for the rest of his short little life. One thing I will mention though is I am surprised his bumper held up right there. I mean, I thought that thing was gone. I thought, you know, if that thing is fiberglass, it's gone. RIP bumper. You know, you're gonna need a whole new front end. But no, actually, it actually just flexed, got out of the way, and let his wheels just try to get over that tiny little bump right there, and he got stuck. So sadly, he is stuck. They're gonna have to push his car out of there. Or it turns out this guy's Honda isn't really good at anything. Not only is it slow, not only is it, you know, ugly, but it can't even get through the grocery store parking lot without getting stuck. I mean, you just built the worst Honda I mean the world has ever seen. It is the least efficient Honda on this earth. You can't even go get your damn groceries. How are you gonna get some milk for your damn cereal? How are you gonna get that milk? Here we got a Scion TC that is like -3 inches off the ground. I mean, honestly, he can't go any lower. It is not possible. We already hear him scraping his whole undercarriage on the road, and he's just driving, he's just cruising. I mean, I don't think he'd go much faster than this, honestly. I don't know if he's got enough tire touching the floor to actually get him up that fast, but does this allow you to have fun with your car? I mean, I feel like you can't take this on a back road, you can't take this on a canyon cruise, you can't even speed in this thing, because one wrong bump, one wrong pothole, your whole car is just gonna fall apart. I'm honestly surprised though that his front lip and his side skirts are in such good condition. This must be the first day of him actually like dropping it this low, because I feel like day 2 everything's already gone. Everything's already torn to shit. It's just, this isn't something that lasts looking this clean, with heavy quotes around clean. This isn't something that would last looking this clean for very long. But I mean, he could cook some fucking fat ass deep dish pizzas in those wheels. Holy shit, look how deep those are. And I mean, the camber, god damn, the camber. Now, I get annoyed when I'm scraping over like a speed bump. Sometimes when I'm going over a speed bump, my resonators will get caught and I'll just hear like the slightest little sink, and I get annoyed of that. Now, driving down a road and hearing it non-stop, oh, that would just kill me. I would be annoyed 24/7. I'd feel like I'm just destroying my car. So I don't know how this guy does it. Full send all the way, obviously. So let's just move on to the next clip. The next clip has a song playing in the background, so I muted it so I don't get copyrighted, but we'll just take a look. Alright, so which one is worse, the FRS or the Scion TC? Now this FRS, I mean, I don't blame him for this. I mean, the FRS is just a Prius with a body kit. I mean, from factory, the FRS is slow as shit. It doesn't look all that good. It looks okay, but it doesn't look all that good. I don't blame him for going for the looks instead of the performance. I mean, it would take a lot more to get this car performing good than it would just to look good. I mean, a wide body kit, a wing, some deep dish wheels, call it a day. That's your build for your FRS or your GT86. But to make it actually perform good, you need a bit more than that. Now this guy is rubbing his tire on his fender or some shit like that, obviously. I mean, it is bad. I mean, the smell the whole way home too. I mean, you're not doing a burnout. I mean, the burnout of this car would look like a bicycle skid mark. I mean, honestly, I mean, he's barely touching the floor. More danger right here. This is more dangerous than a race car. A race car at least has good performing brakes, has good performing handling and speed. This thing is dangerous right here. It looks cool. It looks like a hovercraft from like 2035, but it's just, it looks cool. It just, when it comes to driving it, I don't know. I don't think it is the best thing ever. Like I said, I prefer to have my car handling well, have some fun with it. This is not that. This ain't it, Chief. And it looks like some people in the comments, they're actually, they're agreeing with me. So, but again, beauty is in the eye of the beholder. And this straight up looks like one of those memes. You versus the guy she tells you not to worry about. Oh, God. What the hell did he scrape on? There is nothing there. There is nothing there. And he scraped on it. How the hell did he scrape on it? There's nothing there. He's scraping on air. Like, you know, you see the memes. He's scraping on a leaf, but there's nothing there. Like, I can't even make shit up. There isn't anything here, and he's scraping on it. This guy is straight up scraping on a ghost's nutsack. Like, holy crap. I can only imagine what this would feel like driving around in California, because our freeways and our roads, they are shit. I'm telling you guys, they are shit. There are some decent roads, but the freeways, I mean, there's always little humps. If you guys live in SoCal, you know this. There's always little humps, and this thing would just be toast. It would not look like a Subaru anymore. It wouldn't even resemble one, okay? First thing to go, your bumper would get shot underneath your car, and then your side skirts would get shot up into the air and probably impale the people behind you like some Final Destination shit. It would be a nightmare, honestly. I mean, your insurance would go sky high, no doubt. Your insurance would just skyrocket because you'd have 2 accounts of murder on your hand. Your bumper would probably go and get tangled in someone's wheel well, and then they'd spin out, crash. Some people would light on fire. I mean, it would be a disaster. So I can only imagine. I mean, well, I did just imagine. So it would not survive in SoCal. I don't know where this is from. There's no license plate or anything that I can really see. So again, it's one of those things where it looks cool parked, but just driving it just is not ideal. Alright guys, I need your help for this one. I don't want to call it rice or nice because this isn't really rice, it's just stand style, but is this hot or not? Okay, if you saw this, would you be like, damn, that shit is clean as fuck, I want to do that to my car? Or would you be like, I don't know, Chief, this ain't it? Honestly, I like the front end, with heavy quotes around it. I think the front end is acceptable for a stand style car, The rear though, I'm not feeling okay. Like the front end right here, this looks okay. Okay, everything looks fluid. It looks nice and smooth. All the body lines kind of match up and shit. It looks nice. The rear end just looks like they were gonna rush. They had to finish it. It was a group project. The last guy was lagging and just didn't do his part, so they just kind of tossed something together. And this needs some more arch. Okay, it's a damn near right angle. I mean, my god, I don't know. I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling the rear. I like the front, not feeling the rear. This just does not look. It doesn't match. It just personally doesn't match in my own opinion. So let me know what you guys think though down in the comments. I don't know. Like I said, I'm not feeling it. Anyway, guys, I'm going to wrap up this video right here. It is 2 a.m. where I am at, so I have very little energy. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up. Comment down below which clip was your favorite. If you want to send me clips, tag me in them at my Instagram at ___ Drew Peacock. Subscribe to join the flock and hit the notification bell to flock to the videos with everyone else. Until next video, peace.